Yeah, this video is for my besties that have gotten to all their thresholds, both the subscribers and the watch hours. Yes, and they are afraid to apply for monetization. I have two people that have come to my DM on Instagram, and they were like they are afraid of applying because they don't want to make mistake, and they don't want to have any issue of being demonetized or not being accepted. So I decided to make this video so that it can also help one or two of my besties that will be applying for their monetization, because I know that a lot are going to apply this soon. So you are going to first of all make sure that you have gotten all the threshold. Like I said earlier, get your 1,000 subscribers and then 4,000 watch hour. By the time you are done, you're definitely going to get a mail, and from that mail, and then from your end sign, it's going to show you all the watch hour that may accumulating. Is not going to show anymore. The only thing you'll be saying there is apply, and then when you click on it, 3 steps are going to show. I'm going to read out the steps so that I'm not going to make a mistake, because when I was applying mine, I was I was screenshotting it so that I can also use it to help others. So one of the first step is for you to review based terms, and then the review based time, you have accepted the YouTube partner program terms. That's the first one, is just for you to accept that you are now a part of the program, and you have to read all the condition terms and condition. After it, you see where you click, how terms and conditions are in every other thing that you want to apply. You just accept on it, and immediately you accept, it will take you to the second step. And that's the second step. When you go to it, it will be showing in progress when you are on it, because most of the time you may not finish it that day if you don't have all the information that you need. So when I was doing I had issue, reason being that when I opened my AdSense, there was a time that I wanted to open an AdSense account. They were like, okay, don't worry, when you get to the threshold, we are going to notify you. So by the time I got monetized, I went there. They've already used my own details on my email to put up there. So when I didn't know that I can actually edit it, I was worried, because the only column there was individual and organization, and you have to listen very, very careful. You have to use, as long as you're on social media and you're not working with any organization, don't make a mistake of using organization section, because if you use organization section, it's going to make you, they're going to tax you based on their organization instead of taxing you based on individual. Do you see that? So anything you are doing on social media, both YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and any other platform, make sure you apply through individual. So I had to reach out to 1 or 2 people, I reached out to them, and then I think the person that answered me was Youngster, and he said that I should try to edit it as a place for editing. So I click on it, and it worked, because what it was carrying, I don't have any document that has that name. That was when I was still single. I wasn't married then. So the name that appeared on that AdSense account was my single name. That's when I was still single, not married. So I didn't know that I would be able to edit it. So then with the help of Youngster, I was able to edit it. I click on it, and then it now brought it fresh out for me. Although initially somebody said that don't worry, I should go on with the organization, but later they told me the consequences of using organization section. So I'm going to emphasize it again. Make sure you use individual section. Yeah, in this sign up for AdSense for YouTube. So when you click on it, you get your name, your address. Your address is too, just like you need to make sure that when you are filling on it, make sure that the 2 section that they said for address, you can use one for your phone number in case if they need to get to you through phone number. So you have to use one of the address column, the two address column. Use one for your phone number, and then use the second one for your address. And then after that one, it will be in progress. Sometimes it will take hours, sometimes it will, yeah, it takes some hours or so before it will drop. And when it drops, the third one will start up automatically. Do you understand? The third one will start up automatically, and that's when you will now be tense. Excuse me. That's when you'll be tense. You will not be like, what is going on? Why is it taking time? So I applied on Thursday. I think it was Thursday midnight, around, yeah, towards midnight. And Friday I didn't hear from them, and I was so tense. Being in the waiting period, it's not easy being in the waiting period. So I waited, and then finally Saturday 7:55 a.m. I was on a live stream, and the thing came out, boom, pop up. I had to end the live stream. I screamed, yay, I'm now part of the YouTube partnership program. So let me not be carried away with my excitement. So these are the 3 steps. The first one is for you to accept, and then the second one is for you to add your AdSense accounts and everything, so for you to add update it. And then the third one is for YouTube to review it. That gets reviewed. YouTube are going to review your, what's it called, it's going to review your channel, and it will tell you that it's going to take weeks, months, but you can see I got my in 2 days. So you can see that most times it doesn't take up to the time they tell you, and that is why with the hardest part, the waiting part, to know whether they're going to tell you, yeah, you're part of them, or no, you have to go and review your channel, that your channel is not up to standard and all that. So with this, I know you now know the steps that you need to know before you apply for your monetization. Okay, thank you for watching, and if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. And if you know, or you want me to make a video on another topic, or something that you need me to make video on, you can also drop it in the comment section. I'm here to help each and every one of us, especially my besties, and those are my subscribers. Yeah, I call them besties. So if you have any question, put it in the comment section, and I will be here next time to share a wonderful information that will help you for your monetization. See you. Ciao, ciao.